I'm Longster 1970, and today I'm going to be attempting to repair a crack that is in this catalytic converter that I took off the 2001 Ford F-150. You see my previous video, I did have a set of new cats for it, but they are for a two-wheel drive, not a four-wheel drive, and the price of a replacement one for the four-wheel drive was almost $2,000 for the pair, which I thought was kind of ridiculous. So I'm going to try to repair these. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is cutting this shield off so I can get into the damaged area. I'm using my Milwaukee grinder. Got me a set of duckbill pliers. I'm going to try just prying this off. There we go. One part of it's already off. You can see that there is a there's a crack here, and there's a hole up here. I'm gonna have to grind into that. A little hole right there. And I'm going to see if I can get this shield off too while I'm at it. Take the grinder and grind that wire right off. Try and get this off. Okay, let's give that a shot. Whoa. It's not falling over there. Get something to sit that on. I don't know how well you can see it, but there is a massive hole right here. I wouldn't say massive, but there's a good size hole right in this area, and there's a lot of exhaust coming out. I'm thinking that that's causing the problem. It's giving me a lean mixture because it's not passing through the catalyst properly. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna seal that up with some of this JB Weld Extreme Heat. It's supposed to hold up to 1,000 degrees. Temperature resistant metallic paste. According to the instructions, you just take it off. I have the area cleaned up. I cleaned it off with acetone. Take some of this stuff, put it in the hole, and hopefully it stops leaking. Well, I'm mixing this up with this old screwdriver that I have. I thought it was going to be a putty, but it is not. I'll just get it right down in the hole. Hopefully that hardens up enough, then it's going to keep it from leaking out. Any exhaust from leaking out of there. But we won't find out until tomorrow. And let this dry overnight. See how it works. Clean off my screwdriver. I think I'm just gonna let that sit. Okay, I've left this sit overnight, and seems to be pretty hard. So I guess I'm gonna put it back on the truck, and hopefully it holds on. See right there is my fix, my patch on the catalytic converter. Hopefully it's gonna hold. No leaks so far. Well, I'll do it for repairing the catalytic converter on the 2001 Ford F-150. I took the truck out and I drove it for about 100 miles. Didn't have any issues with it. I'm hoping that the patch is going to hold. It's not ideal. I would have really liked to replace it, but like I said, I ordered what I thought was the correct one, or correct replacement, and it ended up being the wrong ones. It was for a two-wheel drive, and I couldn't see spending $2,000 on catalytic converters when the only problem that was with it was it was kicking up the putting enough exhaust down past the catalyst to the O2 sensor. But that fixed the error code that I was getting. It hasn't come back, so that should do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.